Okay, our learning objective today, chat in Microsoft Excel. Ya, kita membuat this one. How to make this one in Microsoft Excel. Ya, chat atau grafik in bahasa ya. Ya, grafik. Okay. We don't have assignment, but I hope for the student, if you have not finished the last assignment, please please do it, try it again. Okay, Jonathan, you want to speak something?
Kepencet, Sir.
No, kepencet. Okay. Student, chat, Chat in graphical representation of information. Ya, jadi suatu grafik. Chat itu we can say suatu grafik yang mewakili daripada informasi. Ya, I think this chart ini atau grafik ini membantu and help us to make us easy to understand. Ya, membuat kita lebih paham. Ada grafik seperti ini, kita lebih gampang to understand about the information, memahami suatu informasi. Ya. Okay, this is still about Microsoft Excel. Last week we have studied about filter data, custom filter. That about the last lesson. Still about Microsoft Excel also. Today we have to know how to make chart. Bagaimana cara membuat chart atau grafik. Okay, the first select the data for which the chart has to be created. It means student, we must have data first. Kita harus buat datanya dulu di Microsoft Excel. We have to make data first. Datanya harus ada dulu. After that, we select. Kita select nanti, and then baru klik on the insert tab. Insert tab. Have in there insert tab. And then select the desired chart type from the drop-down list of different chart type in the chart group. So many type. Banyak jenisnya So many type. Have like file, have like column, have like line, tube, so many. Later you can see in there so many options or so many types of chart. Okay, students, the next, okay, number 3, or still number 3, click on chart dialog box answer. The insert chart dialog box appear. Akan muncul dialog boxnya like this. You can see there your screen. Have the data. I have data. Kita harus siapkan dulu data. We have to make atau we must have data first. Like this one. This is the example kid. Ini contoh. Name, computer, art, VPK. Okay, this is the name of subject. This is name of student. This is the score in here. This is just example kid. Ini hanya contoh aja. Okay. And insert chart. You can see here. This is active Ini yang aktif. Insert chart. Insert and then click this one. Have here small arrow. And here have option. You can choose one. And if you want to choose the other chart, you can choose this one. All charts. Semua di sini muncul So many options here. So many types of chart here. Okay, and then step to create. The next step, the next step number 4. Just now number 3. Number 4, select chart style. Select chart style is plotted based on the value given inserted in the center of the worksheet. Ya, kita pilih ya. Kita tadi kan so many type there. Choose ya which one you want. The desired chart yang kamu inginkan. Change the location of the chart by dragging or dropping. So we can move this chart. Kita bisa menggeser chart ini, ya Kit. By dragging. What in bahasa dragging? Who can explain? Drag. Mouse-nya di drag. Ya Kalisa, Sacha?
Menarik.
Menarik.
Kayak di drag gitu kan.
Ya, ditarik, di drag. Oke, apanya yang ditarik? Sasa?
Ini mouse-nya ini kan ditekan ya, itunya, terus ditarik.
Oke, mouse-nya ditekan dan ditarik. Oke, thank you Sasa, that's good. How about the other? Maybe someone want to add? Ada yang menambahkan the explanation about dragging? I remember this is have ya. Saya sudah pernah kasih tahu juga ini drag, di drag.
Tekan terus geser, Sir.
With that? Gracias.
Gracias.
Tekan dan digeser. Oke. Oke students, that's good ya. Your answer all good ya. Semua jawabannya bagus. Oke. So I want to explain, drag itu press ya atau tekan ya. Ditekan right click or left click mouse-nya.
Left, sir.
Left. Okay, thank you. Okay, sir have ever say to you ya, sir udah pernah katakan say to you. Kalau sir bilang klik itu secara otomatis berarti left click. Tapi kalau right click baru diucapkan right click. But if I don't say right click, just click, berarti itu it mean artinya adalah klik kiri ya. Jadi tanpa disebutkan left click, itu klik aja itu sudah secara otomatis memang sudah pasti klik kiri. Tapi kalau right click baru disebutkan right click gitu ya Kit, untuk mendapatkan shortcut itu right click. Oke. Jadi klik, kita klik dan di move, digeser atau ditarik seperti Sasa atau Gracia bilang tadi. Ya. Press, hold ditahan, ditekan dan ditahan, jangan dilepas kliknya, baru move, ditarik atau digeser. Oke, itu dragging. Ya, and drop it bisa juga digeser ya, drop it. Sorong ya, it at the desired location in the worksheet. Ke tempat yang kamu inginkan ya, desired location worksheet. Ya, Kit. Okay, who still remember about worksheet? Worksheet in here what? Worksheet. Sheet in bahasa?
Yang putih itu, Sir.
Ya, ini ya work area lah ya kan. Ya, worksheet itu sheet
Lembar.
lembar kerja ya, lembar kerja. Ya. In Excel we say this is worksheet ya. Worksheet ya, lembar kerja. And have also sheet. Sheet itu page ya, page. Kalau in Microsoft Word page 1, page 2. But in Microsoft Excel itu sheet 1, sheet 2. Okay. Thank you Azarel. Okay student, I have this ya, I give this one. This is the component of chart. Ini nanti akan kita buat chart dan di situ you can see ya, you can see have like this value axis, plot area, chart area, series ya, series 1 until 5 because you see have here 5 ya, 1 2 3 4 5 ya. Have here the ya ini tergantung datanya ya, datanya nanti kita buat tentang apa? What about we make the data? Ya, di sini akan muncul ya. Okay, this is about months, ya. This is about fruits, ya. This is the example, ya, the example of chart, ya, Kit. Okay. I give you text this one. Saya kasih this is chat area, itu apa? The explanation about chat area, chat title, and also the explanation. Ya, all area. Ya, just now this is just picture ya. Ini gambar saja. Tapi this is the explanation, gitu. Ini keterangannya. Ya. Axis, ya ini horizontal X ya. Kalau Y itu vertical axis. Ya, this one you can see this one. Have here. Ya, sini aksisnya nggak kelihatan, cuman axis label. Tapi ini dia yakin ada horizontal sama ada horizontal dan vertikal ya, this one. Ya. Oke, data. Entire used to plot the chart. Legend, ya legendnya, you can see here legend. Ada legend, this one. Ini legend ya. Ya. Grid lines, ya grid line this one ya, ini grid line. Yang ini termasuk grid line namanya, yang garis ini. Oke, data label about point, information about point in the chart. Oke, students, kita langsung aja kita praktis ya Microsoft Excel. Coba, if you have laptop kit, if you have computer, is turn on and put beside you. We can try directly in Microsoft Excel. Ya, coba kita langsung kita buat kit. To be more understand, jadi lebih paham kit. Ya, to be more understand how to make chart in Microsoft Excel. Okay, before I continue, I want to know who ever use laptop now or can follow me laptop by laptop or computer. Raise your hand. Okay, Ajarel. Okay, Gracia. Tasa. How about the other? Jonathan? I know you have laptop you ever bring to school. Okay, Raihan. Abel, how about you? Sefa, Momo, okay. Ya, for the student, if you don't have now, kalau nggak punya sekarang, maybe use ya, digunakan atau dipakai your father or your sister, it is okay. But focus on your screen. Later I will share the Zoom record, ya, kid. Microsoft Excel. Open your Microsoft Excel kit. Yeah, you can click here. Yeah, Windows search box. You can type Excel, or if you have like this, you can click directly this one. Yeah, I have Microsoft Excel 2013. Okay, we have this. Yeah, if you have open, click ya, kita klik, kita open. Okay, I open, saya sudah buka this one, and I have already, saya sudah punya datanya kit. Jonathan, can mute your Zoom. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, kid, you can try type like this one. Okay, so many students ya, follow me atau have laptop ya. You can try now at home. Just simple text ya. Saya buat simple aja, nggak usah banyak-banyak. Ya, just simple. Ya, like this one. The name up to you, kid. If you want to change the name, up to you. You can change. Bisa diganti. Ya. Dan skornya juga, kid. If you want to change, it's okay, no problem. The important one, have the score and the name. Dan nanti skornya beda-beda, it's okay, no problem. Ya, I see. Ajarel, Gracia, typing ya, oke. Okay. Jesse, can you hear me? How about now, Jesse? Can you hear me clearly? Udah jelas suara saya, JC?
Udah, sir.
Okay, JC. Okay, JC, you use laptop or handphone?
Handphone.
Okay. But have laptop ya? Beside you have laptop? Ada di samping kamu laptop?
Nggak ada. Yang ada handphone.
Okay. But JC, at home have laptop ya? Ada laptop di rumah kan?
Ada.
Okay, later you can try ya. If you have time, if you have chance, ya kalau ada kesempatan, you can try later ya. Ya ada student also ya, yang lain juga ya. Kalau sekarang nggak ada ketepatan di depannya atau di sampingnya, you can try later ya. Sasa have finished, Sasa typing, udah selesai diketik. Kalisa, you don't follow, you don't try.
I don't know how to try it.
You don't know how to try it kan? Just open Microsoft Excel. And then
Sir, kotak
Already.
yang mana, sir?
ya,
Yang mana? Yang kecil-kecil itu, sir.
this one. Oh yeah, you cannot see ya, too small ya. Type in here. This is Sasa. Click here. Ya, in column A and row number 1. Click and then type subject. Okay, subject. Enter. And here type computer. Enter. Art. Enter ya. Saya erase ya. Saya erase. PPKN. Then math, the example. Math. Ya. Oke, kita lihat. This is the name up to you. You can change by your name, by your friends. Yeah, your friend can also. And then type this. The score up to you, ya, kid. The score up to you. You can make the other. Yeah, if you make your name here, example, Seva, computer 100, wow, art 100, 100, ya kan Seva? If you want to change, it's okay. Tapi different ya, buat perbedaan dengan yang lain. Okay, if you have finished typing, tell me ya. I want to know. Oh, Ajarel finish. Thank you, Ajarel. Ajarel finish typing. Okay, Ajarel, you can start. Ya, you can try. Coba kamu try. I speak ya. You follow my instruction ya. You click insert. Have insert there. One, insert. Already, Ajarel?
Already, sir? Already, sir.
Okay, and then have in there chart, this one. Oh, okay. Wait, Ajarel, so sorry. Just now, we have studied ya, kita udah tadi baca select post ya. You must select post ya, select post the data. Okay, I forget it. Okay, how to select like this? Click here and drag. Ya, dragging ya, like this, sampai terselect dia. Ready, Ajarel?
Already, sir.
Okay, after that, click insert, tap here chart. See all chart aja, kita lihat semua chartnya. And then, yeah, like this. Okay. Yeah, Ajarel, I want to show you this have all charts here. Yeah, so many options. If you click this one, all charts. Yeah, have like this, have like this, have like this. Yeah, we can choose. Yeah, which one we want. This is about column. Ya, for the student yang tidak mengetik, ya, you can pay your attention on your screen. Ya, this is column ya. If line, ya, you can choose line. This, so many options also here. Ya, line. If you can find, choose file this one. Ya, jadi file nih. Bar like this. Nah. Area like this. Ini scatter like this one. Stop. Wow. Stock. Surprise like this ya. Permukaan ya. Radar. Combo. Oke. Now we back to column aja. Column supaya lebih gampang. Ya, to be easy understand ya. Column. Ya, you can choose the other this one. Yang ini boleh. Yang apa? 3D cluster column. Ya, can. Up to you ya. The example, choose this ya. I choose this. And then click OK. I look at this. Yeah. Just now I already say to you, you can dragging ya. You can dragging kalau seperti di posisinya. In where you want to make. Ya, di mana kamu mau buat, you choose the location. But sir, this is too big, sir. Besar sekali. How about you, Ajarel? You have big like this also?
Have, sir.
Oh, big, very big, ya. Yeah. Very big, besar sekali.
Not really, sir.
That's really okay. If you want to make it smaller, can ya? Okay. Just now dragging, click, yeah, click, hold, and move. Yeah, you move here, example here, and then you can make it smaller. Yeah, just like this. Okay, I make small view ya. Saya buat tampilan agak kecil. Okay. Wait. After that, click, you can move. Pindahkan. If you want to make it bigger, you can click here, make it bigger again. Okay. Look at this kid. Coba kita kaji dulu kid. Betul tidak ini kid? Okay, look at this. This is Louis. Yeah, when I click here, you can see here, this is terselect kid, terselect dia. I click this one, terselect computer. Yeah. Why number blue is computer. Have here kid, legendnya kid, legendnya you can see. Legendnya komputer itu blue color, artnya itu this one. Ya, dia dibuat berbeda-beda langsung supaya tadi kan chat ini fungsinya memudahkan buat kita untuk melihat informasi ya. Oke, who is this raise hand? Eichel Jonathan. Oke, please Eichel.
No, sir, no.
Oh, just itu ketekan. How about you, Joas? You follow me, Joas? You follow this? You open Microsoft Excel?
Sir, coba ulang sir, nggak kelihatan.
What? Eichel ya? Oh, Jonathan.
Jonathan sir.
From where? Dari mana saya? I delete first ya, saya hapus dulu. Okay, select. Have you finished typing, Jonathan? Have you finished like this, Jonathan? Hai Jonathan, udah selesai di gini Jonathan, udah dibuat seperti ini di Microsoft Excel.
Udah sir.
Oke, finish ya. Bloknya klik, geser, move. Oke. Udah terblok atau select the data ya. Ready Jonathan?
Udah sir.
Oke. Klik insert. Klik insert. Have like this Jonathan, chart. Ready?
Sir, my Microsoft Excel bermasalah.
Microsoft Excel have problem with you ya. Your Microsoft Excel. Okay, Jonathan, later you can follow ya 2010. It is okay, no problem. Ini punya si who's this?
Sir, I
Asia.
already make.
Sir,
Okay.
I already make it.
Oh,
Already make it, sir. Already finished.
okay,
Already
Sasa.
done.
Have finished ya? Okay, if you have finished, raise hand. Thumb finger, please, if you have finished. Wow, Azarel, Kalisa, Gracia. Okay, so easy ya, kid? Okay, students, I want to make it ya. Kita mau edit sedikit. Okay, chart. I choose this one. And then okay. Ya, this one ya. And then, don't forget, kid, you can change chart title. Kamu bisa mengganti ini, kid, title-nya. Di example, kita buat apa ini, kid? Score ya, nilai.
Score.
Ya, score. Okay. You can click here, and then you can erase atau block. Ya, block atau kamu klik aja di sini, have cursor like that. Kamu bisa hapus, erase, and then make score.
Already, sir.
Okay. Sir, you can change ya, students. You can change also the color. Yeah, this one. Or you can make big cut. Yeah, this one bold. Okay, make underline. The students. Ya, bisa diatur ya, kid. You can choose this kit, choose design kit. If you click this, if you click the chart, in here have not design ya, format in here. But when you click the chart, have design and format. Ada design dan format kit. So you can click design. Ya, you can choose the other. Boleh kamu pilih yang mana, kit. So many option here. Ya, the example this one. Ya. Formatnya, kit, if you want to ya fill-nya, kamu kasih fill yang lain. Ya. Save fill, save outline-nya. Example. Okay. This is about chart ya. So I hope you understand how make chart. Ya, maybe your teacher, kemarin ada teacher guru lain itu menanya, "Sir, udah belajar tentang chart?" Ya. Sudah, Miss, ya. Oke, Jonathan. Ya, Sasa.
Gimana cara bikin nama score-nya itu?
Oh, just click here. Sasa, klik di chart title-nya tadi. Klik, ya, have cursor here, ada cursor gini, kamu langsung ketik atau erase, hapus, delete, kamu ketik. Ya. Oke, langsung.
Oke.
Oke. Kalau buat warna, you can design, have many option here. Ya, many option here ya. Oke. Oke, students. I think enough for today. Just make that. Ya, so simple ya, satu aja materi kita. I hope you understand about that. For the first time, you make data. Awalnya kamu buat data first, and then you select, baru insert chart, and you can choose so many chart type ya, so many chart in there. You can choose one. Okay, students. I remind you again, especially for the student have not finished assignment, please please send to me. Okay, Andre, you have question or the other student before I leave this room? Andre,
Sir.
yeah.
Today we don't have homework.
No, yeah, I am still waiting for the other assignment, yeah, last assignment. Okay, Joas? You like this? Yeah, what Joas?